Hello everyone, today I have a review of another OTF knife from Dulotec company, model K188A. As with its predecessor, the knife comes with a manufacturer's leaflet, and a black nylon sheath without any motif, closed with the plastic buckle, with the possibility of attaching with Velcro. Total length is 22.5 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 3CR-TT MOV, comparable to 420 steel. The advantage of this steel is high corrosion resistance and easy sharpening, tempered to approx 56 HRC. Blade type, a dagger, sharpened on both sides. In the middle, a fuller with 7 holes to increase the tautness. The blade is very slender. Satin finish. Opening and closing with stepped bottom. The handle is made of brown aluminum, but other colors such as black or green are also available. The black pocket clip showing the company's name, Dulotec. Glass breaker. Automation works very nice. In summary, another good priced alternative for expensive OTFs. Minimalistic but very aesthetic knife with character. I love this magical hiss when opening and retracting the blade. The Dulotec company has quite a wide range of OTFs, and as far as I know, they are going to diversify their offer. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.